over to ChatGPT. Note that you can only create a GPT in the paid version of ChatGPT. So you can just take the $20 one subscription and play around with it. And so let's head over to create a GPT. If you're wondering where to get that, just go to explore GPTs and then just go to create the GPT. So here it is. And what would you like to make it? Now, to make it very simple, what I have done is simply created the prompt. So this is what the prompt looks like. And you go in here and just add it to this, right? And it'll start updating the GPT, right? And yes, you want to call it Nutrition Buddy. You can even just go to configure. So just call it Nutrition Buddy. And this is the description. But in here are the instructions, which is always be friendly and also in terms of knowledge, I found these two files, PDFs that I got over the internet. So one is on Indian diet and one is on Mediterranean diet. So I copied those two here and put them here for reference because in the prompt I have clearly mentioned that if there are any queries related to Indian food, refer to the Indian dietary guideline document, and for the Mediterranean one, refer to this PDF. So that ways it has specific context. Okay, now you just call it Nutrition Buddy and just click on create. And here's what you can do. Anyone with the link, just save it because you want to share the link with others, maybe your family, your friends, and you just want to give them to, try it out. So GPT is published. Let's go to view GPT. Now let's play around with it, right? So here, let's ask it, give me a daily lunch option from the Indian diet. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. Interesting. So, because I've not specified the gender, it has just picked up the information right now from the document, which is great. And if you ask it, help build a weight loss plan for me, let's see, because this is where it needs to ask you exactly perfect. So it needs to ask you your details, your age, gender, height, weight, what is your activity level, all of that, and what is your main goal, right? And so this is where you can enter all your details and even specify, suppose you wanted something on Mediterranean. So you can go ahead with that. Now again, we're just testing it out. You can test it with as many prompts as you wish to make it even better. Again, I will just put in an example. So give me an example of healthy diet for dinner. So this is where it can even come up with that from the document that was shared with it. So literally in 5 minutes you've been able to create a concept that you had in your head into a working prototype. And this is where you can just create the link, right? Just create this link and share this with people and just get started to see what people are asking it. So vibe coding can be simply represented on a scale. You can go from super simple to a really complex, scalable product. While you can start simple with vibe coding, when you're looking at deploying production level code, you do need real coding knowledge. So just start small. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned.